Wondering what all the fuss is about stablecoins? Are you confused about how they work and why they are becoming so popular? Well, don't worry, we are going to explain everything you need to know about stablecoins in this video. So let's get started. But before you learn about stablecoins, pay attention to the big red subscription button. As soon as you click it, you'll be taken to the wealthy side, the life you deserve, where you'll find hundreds of videos. These videos contain the answers to almost any question you may have. There are also daily updates, so if you want to stay tuned, remember to turn on notifications. What are stablecoins? Stablecoins are a relatively new type of cryptocurrency that is pegged to the price of a real-world asset, such as gold or fiat currencies like USD, Euro, etc. They're designed to have low volatility and to be more like a fiat currency than typical crypto, which can be very volatile. Recently, stablecoins have been the focus of much attention from investors and traders alike. The advantages of these coins are numerous. They provide a safe haven from market volatility, allowing for instant and frictionless transactions with low transaction costs, and are becoming a viable option for merchants in place of Bitcoin. Most stablecoins are built on top of a protocol that creates an algorithmically controlled monetary policy. These protocols enable the coin owners to redeem their coins back to the token's collateral, which can be fiat or a more stable cryptocurrency like Bitcoin. Also, they're primarily used as a medium of exchange in financial markets because of their stability. How do stablecoins work? Stablecoins are really just another type of cryptocurrency, which means that their value is determined by the market. This type of cryptocurrency is designed to provide the price stability of fiat currencies with the decentralization and security of blockchain technology. They are not tied to any centralized entity, which means that they can be used in any country without being subject to local regulations. Now that you know that stablecoins are pegged to a real-world asset like the US dollar, you should know that their value is always fixed to that of the real-world asset. That gives investors a sense of security since they know exactly how much the coin is worth. Using real-world assets for backing is a tried and true way to ensure a coin's stability. After all, currencies have been pegged to gold and other commodities for centuries. The only difference is that it's done digitally with blockchain technology. So, blockchain technology is behind all the working of stablecoins. There are many ways that a stablecoin can be implemented, but they all rely on a fixed supply. Also, is created by issuing sever coins that are equal to the real-world assets being used to back it up. At the same time, the amount of real-world assets being used to back the coin is also fixed. Let us explain it in detail. When you buy stablecoins, they are usually backed by assets in the form of tokens created on a blockchain. These tokens are called stablecoins, and the assets backing them are called collateral. To issue a stablecoin, the issuer needs to buy some of the tokens they are issuing, which are usually backed by an asset like fiat currency or gold. When they buy this token, they make their currency less scarce. This creates demand for tokens as people look for a store of value that is stable. Why are stablecoins necessary? Cryptocurrencies are unstable by nature, so investors can't rely on them for daily transactions and long-term investments. Stablecoins were created to make cryptocurrencies usable for these purposes. Because they are backed by real-world assets, which makes them less volatile than cryptocurrencies, this makes them viable for use in financial transactions because the value of the coins remains unchanged. Stablecoin regulation. Regulations in the cryptocurrency world are still a gray area. Governments around the world are still trying to figure out how they should regulate cryptocurrencies and what laws they should enforce. The idea of stablecoins is not new, but their regulation is a newer topic. Because they are essentially just cryptocurrencies, they are also currently unregulated. But as more and more people start using these coins, regulators are sure to take notice. And even though stablecoins will likely remain unregulated, they still have to be transparent and trustworthy. This means that their creators will have to prove that the coins are backed by real-world assets. And they will also have to demonstrate that their blockchain technology is secure. Now, as stablecoins grow in popularity, regulators may impose specific rules and guidelines for them. This would likely include things like taxes, transparency about the number of coins in circulation, and limitations on who can invest. For the regulation of stablecoins, many have proposed that the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, or SEC, should regulate them as securities. This would make them subject to federal securities laws, which some believe could help protect investors. However, any such regulation comes with potential problems. Some argue that it could inhibit the growth of certain types of crypto assets, while others argue that this regulation would push cryptocurrencies further into the shadows. As a result, there are many different ways to regulate stablecoins. Some countries have opted to not regulate them at all and allow them to be traded freely on exchanges without the need for licenses, while others, like the US and UK, are planning to regulate them later this year. Enjoying till now? Please hit the subscribe button now. Like, share, and comment. And yes, keep watching. Different types of stablecoins. Fiat-backed stablecoins. Stablecoins that are backed by a government fiat currency like the US dollar or the euro are known as fiat-backed stablecoins. The price of such stablecoins is maintained by real-world assets such as fiat currencies, gold, or other commodities. Tether was the first ever fiat-backed stablecoin that was introduced in 2014 and has since become a popular type of cryptocurrency. Fiat-backed stablecoins are used to help reduce volatility and provide stability in volatile markets. Crypto-collateralized stablecoins. Crypto-collateralized stablecoins are a type of cryptocurrency that is pegged against the value of any other cryptocurrency. Because these coins rely on volatile cryptocurrencies, they are over-collateralized. It means that the cryptocurrency with which they are to be collateralized is held in a large pool. If a cryptocurrency is worth $1 million, then it can be used to issue stablecoins worth $500,000. The over-collateralization can be a useful tool to stay afloat in case the price of the cryptocurrency falls. Precious metal-backed stablecoins. After fiat and crypto-backed stablecoins, a new development in the cryptocurrency world was made known as a precious metal-backed stablecoin. These new stablecoins were designed to have a fixed value and are backed by precious metals, such as silver, platinum, gold, or palladium. These coins have a fixed 1-to-1 ratio with any given precious metal that is backing it up. Various types of precious metal-backed stablecoins have been introduced in the crypto market and are already quite popular. Some of these are Tether Gold, Anthem Gold, AABB Gold Token, and MetaGold. Algorithmic stablecoins. Algorithm stablecoins are those that are not backed by any kind of assets, nor do they have any reserves. The worth of these coins is kept stable through an algorithm that controls its supply. This is done by periodically bringing new coins into circulation or taking out existing coins from circulation to maintain price stability. The benefit of these coins is that they are not in correlation with the value of any assets, which makes them more stable than other coins. Their price entirely depends on the computer program that is running the algorithm. Pros of stablecoins. Number 1. Security. Since the value of a stablecoin is backed by real-world assets, they are much more secure than other cryptocurrencies. You don't have to worry about losing all your money overnight just because of the high volatility of cryptocurrency because you are dealing with a low volatile currency here. Number 2. Predictability. Since you know exactly what the value of a stablecoin will be, you'll always know how much the coin is worth. This means they are predictable and reliable. Number 3. Accessibility. Anyone who has internet access can buy and sell stablecoins. There is no need for a middleman to match buyers and sellers. Moreover, you can be anywhere at any time and trade safely. Number 4. Low fees. Low fees of stablecoins are not only the most liquid cryptocurrencies, but they also offer great features like low transaction fees. This makes them a perfect choice for transactions and trading. Number 5. Anonymous. If privacy and anonymity while making transactions are your biggest concerns, then stablecoins are your best options. These coins provide more anonymity because the transaction does not ask for your personal information. You can buy and sell these coins to other people without revealing your identity. Cons of stablecoins. Number 1. Still risky. While stablecoins are a great option for some investors, you should still do your research and approach them with caution. It is because they are still in the developmental stage. The cryptocurrency community is aware of the risks associated with stablecoins. This is why there are so many different types of stablecoins out there for people to choose from, each with its unique pros and cons. Number 2. Don't forget about taxes. While stablecoins are safer than other types of coins, you still have to report your earnings to the IRS. So, make sure to keep track of the value of your stablecoins throughout the year. Number 3. Need for external audits. Stablecoins need to be audited to confirm their transparency. These stablecoins are audited by external audit firms that make sure that their revenue does not exceed the number of coins they have in circulation. The drawback of this feature is that these audits can get expensive if the stablecoins need to be audited periodically. Should you invest in a stablecoin? Before you decide to invest in a stablecoin, you'll need to consider your investment goals. Are you investing for long-term goals like retirement? Or are you investing for a short-term goal like a child's education fund? How much time do you have before you need to access your investment? And what is the expected return on the investment? Now, even though stablecoins sound great, they aren't the best investment for everyone. If you're investing for short-term goals, stablecoins are a great investment option. This is because of the low volatility and the more predictable value of the coin. However, if you're investing for long-term goals, stablecoins may be too risky. This is because they are so new and there's no way to know if they will fall. Where can I buy stablecoins? There are several places where you can buy stablecoins. You can use a cryptocurrency exchange like Coinbase or Binance to exchange other cryptocurrencies for stablecoins. You can also use a service like Coinbase that allows you to buy and sell different types of cryptocurrencies. Additionally, there are several financial companies that offer brokerage accounts that allow you to buy and sell stablecoins. And you can expect to pay a fee for each transaction. So, it's important to choose the exchange or brokerage account that offers the best rates and charges the least amount. Did you enjoy the video? Please hit the subscribe button, like, share, and comment.